Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the process of cancelling your VASA fitness membership. If you have decided it's time to say goodbye, I will make sure you know exactly how to do it with ease. Let's get started. VASA themselves guided you with the membership cancellation process. Let's have a look. Log into the VASA app and choose My Account on the bottom menu. Tap Cancel or Pause Plan. You will find this option in the menu. Then fill out your personal info to help them locate your account. Confirm that the name and account number at the top of the screen are correct. Then choose which service you are wanting to cancel. This will generate the balance due for your final charge. Provide them with the reason for cancellation and select your payment method. Make the payment to finalize your cancellation. You also can cancel your subscription in person. Go to your nearest branch. Also, if you are unable to go to their branch, you can cancel their subscription by email or the contact support they have added to the website. You will find the contact number of VASA Fitness. Call them and talk with the representative about the cancellation process, and they will ask you some questions and the reason why you are canceling the subscription. Give them the details and the proper answer, then they will cancel your subscription for you. That's it. You have successfully cancelled your VASA fitness membership. I hope this video helped you navigate the process easily. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more helpful content. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.